Hi, my name's Gerry. I'm a twin troller boat owner and I'm a lifelong fisherman. I'm located in Central Florida. This time of the year, it's pretty hot. It's also daily thunderstorms and rains, and fishing can be a little bit slow. So I find the time sometimes to help out a twin troller boat owner to sell their boat. Sometimes they just decide that they want to sell them, and I have a boat I'm trying to show you for a man by the name of David. David lives in the Great Lakes area and has decided on big bodies of water like that, he just needs a different kind of a boat. We're sorry to see David go, but it's a great thing for you if you're looking for a almost new twin troller. This boat has everything that comes with the outdoor package. It's also loaded with accessories that are already installed. So the boat is assembled, the trailer is assembled, the motor is ready to go, and we're trying to sell this for David. Now, how do you get a hold of David? Well, you need to do that through me because I don't want to put out his personal information on the open internet, and I don't want you to do that either. So send me an email. Send it to twintrollerpicture@gmail.com. There's a couple of things you need to have in that email. One is that you must state that you are interested in David's boat. Without that, I don't know if you are talking about a different boat that I may also have for sale at the same time. So please don't confuse the issue. Two, you need to provide a way that David can contact you. The best is to provide an email address and a phone number. I will then forward that to David. He will contact you directly, and you will be able to work out some kind of arrangement to purchase the boat. David has agreed that upon selling the twin troller, he will post below this video in the comments that the boat is sold. So if you don't see that comment, the boat is still available. If you see that comment, the boat is sold. So please look at the comments below this video before you try to contact me. Below this video, click on Show More to see links for many of the items used in most of my videos. They are there so that you can locate them in case you are interested. Seeing Show More works best when viewing this video on a tablet or a laptop or a computer. In early May of 2020, I received a new Twin Troller X10 adventure package from Freedom Electric Marine. You can go to the Freedom Electric Marine website to see video details of the boat's capabilities. Because of COVID-19, I wasn't able to register it until late June and only used it a few times that summer. Wet and windy weather this summer also limited my use of the boat, so that I have only had it out about a dozen times in total. Though the boat is incredibly maneuverable and useful for small water, my area is the Finger Lakes region of upstate New York, and it has mostly larger water. I have decided to sell my like-new twin troller and sometime in the future look for a larger boat. I am in no hurry to sell, but thought that someone might benefit by having the boat for the rest of the summer season. My 2020 adventure package includes the following: the Twin Troller X10 boat with two 35-pound thrust in-hull electric motors and dual foot pedal controllers for forward and reverse. The C.E. Smith boat trailer, which is the same trailer that comes when you buy it from Freedom Electric Marine. The Honda 2.3 horsepower air-cooled outboard motor. A Lowrance Hook 2 fish finder. An onboard ProMar battery charger. 2 high-back swivel seats. 2 adjustable rod holders. 4 cleats. I also added the following extra accessories. An Interstate SRM 31 series battery. The C.E. Smith 48-inch trailer guide posts. A Max Zone 1100 gallons per hour bilge pump with a manual switch. MSR liquid fuel bottle, 30 ounces, one of them. An Extreme Max grapnel anchor kit. 4 Gimaton adjustable rod tie downs. C.E. Smith trailer mount spare tire carrier plus the wheel and tire. 2 Better Boat inflatable boat fenders. 2-piece bending branches Whisper kayak paddle. Floor cushions. Rescue steps emergency boat ladder. Tuffiam outboard motor stand with wheels that has a capacity of up to 315 pounds. Let me make a note here. The Honda 2.3 with no fuel in it only weighs 30 pounds. So that motor stand is way more than you would ever need and probably is extremely easy to move around. Also, a Honda fluid pump that fits on a quart bottle. You use this for changing the lower end gear lube. A Ram 1,200-pound capacity swing-away trailer jack with a wheel. I have one on my trailer. It's fantastic for moving it around in the garage. The Adventure package and additional accessories cost me $6,500, not including tax and shipping. That was another $1,000. The only significant wear and tear is on the Twin Troller decals, and that is because I used a vinyl cleaner that was corrosive to them. I am asking $4,900 in cash. I also have a brand new electric replacement motor, which I will include for an additional $200. Since 2021, the models have different motors. A replacement motor can be a valuable insurance. The boat can be picked up at my home near Rochester, New York, or because many potential buyers may be in the southern states, I am willing to negotiate some of my own driving to meet the purchaser part way. All I would ask is for money for gas and, if necessary, for overnight accommodations. No lowball offers, please. I won't respond. The boat and the accessories will be sold only as a package. I will not sell items separately. So now that you have seen David's boat, if you have decided that you are interested in purchasing that boat, or at least talking with David, please follow what I've said in the beginning of this video. This is a great opportunity for someone to buy the boat and get it in just a few days. Good luck. And thank you for following me on my YouTube channel, Lunker Fishing. Goodbye now.